Hello everyone, Bobolens here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be reviewing this Fifine microphone and compare it together with BM800 microphone. Without any delay, let's get started. So right now I'm using the BM800 microphone. This is the original sound before you add on any filters. So I'll be adding on the three main filters to this microphone, which are the noise suppression, the compressor, and also the noise gate. So after adding the three main filters, this is how it sounds like for the BM800 microphone when you use it on a streaming software. So right now I'm using this Fifine microphone. You can see the volume here where you can adjust it accordingly. So for me it's easier and more convenient instead of having to adjust your volume through the streaming software instead. This is how it sounds like before you put on any filters. So I'm gonna put this on my table first. So I'm gonna add the three main filters like what I did to BM800 microphone just now. So this is how it sounds like with the filters on, which are the noise suppression, the noise gate, and as well as compressor. So even if I put this mic away from me, it's quite far from me right now, but I can still adjust the volume so that you are able to hear me. After doing a comparison between these two microphones, which are the Fifine microphone and as well as BM800 microphone, you can hear for yourself the difference in sound quality for each of the mic. And that's the end of my video. I hope this review helps you and thank you for watching.